Oh, someone is gonna die. Yo, Wagwan, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This is Xavier, and we're gonna be watching Andor, episode 6. Okay, so the description for this episode says, with cover from a spectacular local festival, the Aldani mission reaches a point of no return. Alright. Okay, and it's called The Eye. So the last couple episodes have been about learning about Mon Mothma, learning about Luthen, learning about the Imperial soldiers, and also about this mission on Aldani, where they have a lieutenant in as their inside person in on the base, and then there was Cinta, Vel, Cassian, also Nemik, and Taramin, yeah, and then this other guy, I think Skeen, yeah, all preparing to steal a freight of money, and they're using this festival that occurs that once every 3 years or something like that, yeah, to as their guide. Right, so let me tell you the names of the lieutenants. Alright, I've also forgot the lieutenants are from the people from Imperial base, Miro and Blevin, and there's also Major Partagas. Right, and we saw Mothma's husband and daughter, and she is the new driver, I think is Cloris or something like that, and Luthen as a assistant. Don't remember her name, but that's enough. Let's move on. Let's get into it. It's the morning of the heist.
I need to pay my back. Don't worry. The excitement will kick in.
The adrenaline will push you on.
Understand why my faith doesn't calm me? I believe in something. Why am I so unsettled? I mean, you have nothing. You sleep like a stone.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Weapons are tools. Those that use them are, by extension, functional assets we must use to our best advantage. The Empire has no moral boundaries. Why should we not take hold of every chance we can? Let them see how an insurgency adapts.
Well, you're half right.
Okay.
Doesn't play by the rules.
Yeah, that is very true.
And how am I wrong?
Yes, how is he wrong?
They don't care enough to learn.
Okay.
You mean nothing to them.
Perhaps I'll think differently tomorrow.
Be careful what you wish for.
And I'm glad that you're here,
You should be.
no matter what the reason.
Don't worry. You'll be fine.
You can't promise that. You can't promise that. But also, he's right that the Empire is just like this big behemoth. You're just like, it's like Vagar with the dragon. Just swat it away, basically.
Falling behind. Likes getting orders, doesn't he? Makes sense, right?
What do you mean?
I didn't tell you, did I? You're a stormtrooper.
See, I was just about to say if he's Imperial. Is this the start of the stones falling thing? Please.
Come and look at this sash. None of this was stored properly. It's all compressed.
Perhaps you've expanded?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Figaro tu spempacio.
Ridoli fittatu. Snofran. Quali doke.
Friendly greeting. Going okay so far.
Get ready. I think I hear two coming.
Oh, they're dressed as Imperials. Oh, everybody's dressed as Imperials. Okay. Oh, it's just the gear they're using. Okay, my bad.
Bro. Right tongue? With me.
What are they doing here? Are they like planting some? I don't remember the plan exactly. Planting some bomb or something.
Don't let Gorn catch you.
Go now, go, go, go. Okay, so they're not planting a bomb. They're sneaking. I think they're sneaking in to loosen the ship or something.
Where is she? We're late.
Patience, patience, patience.
Mackenzie. No, they're shutting down right now.
I can see him struggling with the smell.
Solid?
Call them.
You're sure?
They're stalling.
Echo 1. Echo 1. Echo 1. Echo. Echo 1.
Are you on point?
Yes. We're here. On point.
Do your duty, call the thing.
Are we going or not?
Girl, if you don't.
Go. We go.
Copy.
Spijtje ma fanpil. Della gref mi stuvan stjop.
He says, may the eye find the good in Urans.
Indeed. Tell him we'll give him the gift of our absence and be on our way.
This guy can speak English.
As much Aldani's civilization we don't forget about in the first place.
Drop it! On the floor!
What's all this?
Drop it there!
Where's that tenant gone?
Down, on the ground, down.
Stop right there.
Colonel, please.
Nobody has to die.
Oh, someone is gonna die. I was right.
Didn't you hear me? I don't control the vault. It's on a code from the airbase. It's done remotely.
Keep lying and it'll be a short night for you. We know about the vault and how it works. We need your hand to key the sensor. We can take just that if you prefer.
You'll never make it out.
You better pray we do.
You have no idea.
One path, one choice. We win or everyone dies. Starts now. Jill, please just do what they say.
We win or everyone dies. Okay, what a choice.
Clem out first.
Because he's the expendable one.
Commandant on the floor! Commandant inspection! Muster up! Let's go! Line it up! Move! Hands on head! Hands on your head! You are gonna load us out as fast as possible! Anyone doesn't want to hustle for the next 10 minutes? Raise your hand. Alright, up! 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 Let's go!
Power?
Yeah, I do indeed.
Plan going well so far, but you know it's gonna mess up somehow.
They're in.
Go.
Nice. Stop gawking and keep moving, keep moving. Exactly.
Repeat. We're in. Operator now. Copy that. All good up here. Get ready. Mackenzie should be calling in soon.
Will do.
Tell you now.
Whoops. See, that was what went wrong. Someone's gonna die very soon. Whoa. That is nice. Look at that. Very nice, very cool, very cool. Impressive. If I saw that in real life, that would be so impressive.
Quit talking and get pushing. Close it down. Let's go. Last call.
You're hanged for this.
7 years serving you. I deserve worse than that.
Alright, so the airbase.
Are you crazy? Just leave it. Get this thing in the air.
Yeah, keep moving. You gotta move. No, you gotta go. You gotta go.
Tell him, sir. Tell him he needs to leave. Sir? I am giving you a direct order, Corporal. What is going on here? Sir.
Oh, the tension, the tension, the tension, the tension, the tension. The tension, not detention. Oh. Oh, good shot. So that's Termin and Gorn dead. Oh, is he dead?
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs.
Oh. Oh no.
Bed spike. Keep him still.
Where am I heading? I need numbers. Hold on.
How is Cinta gonna get off planet? That's what I want to know. I know she's dressed as an Imperial, but I don't know.
Climb. Climb. Look at the window. Climb. Move. Climb. Now.
Yeah, just listen to him. Listen to him.
I don't have the speed to make it. And now you want me to climb? Climb.
Just listen to him.
Dive. Full boost. Thrust on level.
Yo, this is intense, no? Jano, wow. Ooh! Is she gonna fall in with, these people? Cinta?
There's a doctor. Never built it to the contingency. She doesn't want to jeopardize the mission. This kid, this kid is the reason that we are here. He is alive.
How do we get to the doctor?
I like you, Cassian. Good. Oh, this guy has like 4 hands. 4 arms. Well, yeah, 4 hands though.
Is he gonna make it?
See, I thought his name was gonna be Skeng. I was thinking Skeng to say earlier, not Skingin. The dancer artist Skeng.
Intellectual murder people edition.
Yeah, I can't fly the trawler, but I do have a safe place we can hole up. Between the two of us, we could be the winners here.
Is this a test?
Yeah, for you.
No, I'm a rebel. Just, me against everybody else.
Where would that put me?
Good point.
You'd forget all about you.
But 80 million is better, isn't it?
Put that thing down, catch our breath, split up the winnings.
Woo. Decisive.
Thank you for trying.
Oh, he didn't make it.
Nemec's manifesto. He said to give this to you.
I don't want it.
He insisted.
You're gonna refuse the dying wishes of a person? Are you, Cassian? You won't.
On every star sector and planetary emergency retaliation plan in the building, ready for presentation by midnight.
Fails the coarse and blatant domination of a peaceful and faithful ally.
Well, the news of the raid is coming through. Is that it?
No, it's liberating. You decide what it says. Your own secret language.
Got anything from Aldani?
Excuse me?
Aldani. Big rebel attack last night. It's all we need.
You won. You won. So that was episode 6 of Andor the Eye. Basically everyone from the mission team died except Vel, Cassian, and what's her name? Cinta. I don't know how Cinta is supposed to escape, but they had a separate plan for her to walk out, and so I guess we'll see what happens to her in a future episode if we ever find out. Right, so in this episode the mission was a success. You have to call it a success because the goal of the mission was they said it was a suicide mission earlier. The goal of the mission was to get the money, and they got the money. Not all of it, because that was gonna be very difficult. But they got a good amount. A lot more people might have survived. A lot more of the team might have survived if Vel hadn't no, thinking about it. Her delay didn't really affect them, but it might have. Because the mission outside, them doing the thing outside was dependent on the commandant, and they took him as a hostage right after they went inside. So I don't know. I think the delay was in them getting the funds onto the ship. That was the delay. So no, I don't think anything she did was the cause. It was just them not able to get enough of the money on as quickly as they thought, and the channel that they picked at the start when they were like syncing between Vel's two-woman team, and the rest of them, the 4. That was the delay. That was the reason for the failure of ensuring the safety of most of them. So, Gorn was the first one dead, and then Tamarin died. Skeen wanted to be a traitor, so he got killed, and Nemik got crushed by the money, so he was standing in the wrong place at the wrong time and got crushed. The doctor couldn't save him, and so that's him done. So it was just Vel and Cassian at the end, and also Cinta, who walked out in Imperial Gear, so she's gonna show up. She walked out because everyone was distracted. Everyone in that valley was distracted by the eye, and so yeah, good for her. I'm sure they have a plan for her to somehow get off work. So yeah, I will say that I really like the light show with this shooting stars and whatever, shooting rocks and everything. Yeah, that was cool. It was reminiscent of like the overall Borealis, but not exactly, because obviously it's shooting stars, and combination of aurora borealis. And well done, nice effect. You could see how that could charm people to want to witness that every time it happened. It's not like a every year event, it's like every few years. So you build up the anticipation, you build up the excitement, you build up the wanting for the longing. So yeah, I get that how what I saw would be worth the 10-day trek. Yeah, I get it. And it also makes sense that it will be the older, like the chieftain guy, who would be the leading the party, because he's been doing that forever. So as long as he can encourage people to stick with him, he's gonna keep doing it. So fair play. Mm-hmm. But overall, this was a very good episode of TV. Very good episode of TV. The cinematography, the CGI, the acting, the directing, the screenplay, everything was on point. It was giving tension, it was giving action, it was giving drama, it was thrilling. You were like, you knew people would survive, but you were just waiting to see who was gonna survive. We knew would survive. Seeing the TIE fighters blow up and them doing the thing, maneuver in the air with the ship. Yeah. And then the tension between, you see the soldiers coming down and all that. And I did think the scene between Gorn and Akimizi or something like that, Akimizi, when they're in the hangar, that might have played out a bit more tension, like, but everything else around it, it made up for it. So it played out well. Yeah, no lie. And of course, they don't need the codes to unlock it. Use some charges. Yeah, makes sense. But overall, yeah. So the rebellion got a win. Cassian went away. He has the manifesto of Nemik, and it's gonna inspire him somehow to join up with the rebellion. He probably wrote something very special for, like he was talking about, like he said he was thinking overnight about writing something about mercenaries. Yeah, it's gonna, something like that's gonna, in there is gonna inspire Cassian to join. And we're gonna find out in the future episodes, aren't we? Be better. So those are my thoughts. Looking forward to the next episode, and goodbye.